Aww. Get him, Peep. Okay, that doesn't work. Get him, Peep. Little Mr. Peep. You have to put him up by your face. What?
So much.
What kind of face was that?
Tickles. I'm bleeding.
He's a tickle bug. Put him by your face. Seriously.
I don't like my face.
Here comes the bugger. It's a bug! There goes the bugger. Yeah, see if he'll attack your glasses again. No, on your face!
It's funny, you want me to poke my eyeballs out again?
No, you have to turn this way though. Well, that's cheating! What? You have to put it on your face and then... He's so cute. What you doing, little Mr. Peep? Huh?
Eating my glasses, what's it look like?
Are you filming me? Somehow I get the feeling. Seriously, put it on your face. Let's see what he does.
You rather just play with my glasses?
No, the Peep is cuter if he's taking him off your face. You have to turn this way though so I can see it. Whee! The Peeper! There you go, Peep. Get him, Peep. There he goes. Aww. This bugger used to always take your glasses off when we first got her. Mother likes on. Look at them. They taste good?
Ew. I wouldn't say so. I don't get what you see in this.
Not going. Ooh, wrong way. Woohoo. Same thing bugger saw on him.
Ooh. You got me in the bone. Bugger's doing something.
He's gonna eat him. Okay. Aww. The baby.
I can't see a thing.
Bugger. Here comes the mama. Here comes the mama. She's like, what are you doing with my baby? Hey, put him over by the litter box and let's see if he goes towards mama. I'll try and back up. We're gonna run out of time here. No, no, honey. Let's see. There we go. Okay, that doesn't work. Right towards